Hello, my name's Jim. I'm representing DJ School UK. This is a short introduction to a set of videos which are aimed at primary and secondary school teachers. The aim being to explain what modern DJing is, how to do it, how to set your school up with the equipment to do it, and how you can engage your young people in music by using these techniques. Later on we'll be showing you how to DJ. Right now I'm going to discuss why. We use it as an accessible gateway to musical skills for all young people, especially year 6 and 7 going through that tricky transition stage, but also gifted and talented musicians who want to try something new, or anyone maybe with special educational needs who needs something they can get their teeth into that may become a career, may become a hobby, or may become something in the creative arts that just opens a door to them to something building self-confidence and self-esteem. So what parts of the music curriculum are included in DJing? Well, all dance music has a pulse, all dance music has a tempo. In DJing you have to listen intently to the structure of songs while matching the tempo of 2 pulses so that you can blend 2 songs together. That's step 1. You need syncopated hand movements for scratching. You need to be able to listen to various frequencies and harmonies to ensure that things are in tune and not clashing as you're blending them. And if you get more and more involved into the production and technology side, you learn all the ICT skills and software required to make your own songs from scratch using MIDI.